Okay, get your worksheet out. Make sure you have a pen, and only a pen on your desk right now. That's really low. All right. So, last night we had the back of the page. Make sure your name is on it. We're going to grade this, and then we're going to get on with our lesson for today. So, number one, we have 1. 2 is 243. 3 is 25. 4 is 1 million. 5 is 1,000. 6 is 10 million. That's a 10 with 6 zeros after it. 7 is 4,096, 4096. 8 is 0. 9 is 5,764,801. 5764801. 10 is 65,536. 65536. 11 is 1. 12 is 1024. Where's your paper at?
I can't find it. I did it last night, but I guess I forgot it somewhere.
Yes.
Could you go back to number 1?
Number 1. 1.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I didn't get this. 1 times 7. No.
No.
Hold it.
It's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. Remember, the exponent is how many times you're using that number. It's not what you're multiplying by, it's how many times you're using that number. Okay? So, put the number on at the top of the page. Yes?
What was 2?
2 is 243. 243.
9.
9. 5764801. 5,764,801. Yes.
On number 9, I think I forgot the commas.
Put the commas. Any other questions? Tony?
What's 5 and 6?
5 and 6. 5 is 1,000. 6 is 10,000. Or sorry, 10 million. Okay? Number on the top of the page. Collect it. Then you guys will need your math books today. Okay. Okay, remember it's Wednesday, so there's no homework today. turn your math book to page number 326. 326. Looking at your worksheet from the other day, you guys are still having trouble with factoring, particularly prime factoring. Okay? For instance, we're going to do the prime factors of 80. Okay? A lot of you did this and called it good. Said you were done. When it tells you to do prime factoring, pay attention because a lot of you made the same mistake. When it tells you to do prime factoring, you are not done until all your numbers on the bottom are prime factors. What is a prime factor? A number whose only factors are 1 and itself. We've listed before the prime factors less than 20. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Right? Okay? Yes. Page 326. This is important that you guys understand this. Okay? Because if you don't understand prime factoring, then you're never going to get greatest common factor or least common multiple. Alright? So our plan is, or what we need to do, prime factor, we've got to get all this down to prime numbers. So if we break this down into 80, break 80 down into 2 and 40, is 2 a prime number?
Yes.
I want everybody looking at the board, no one doing anything else. Is 2 a prime number?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Is 40 a prime number?
No.
No, it's not. You can tell immediately that's not a prime number because it's an even number. What's the only even prime number?
2.
2. 2. Okay? So, because this is not prime, we need to break this one down. Okay? What's some factors that go into 40?
10 and 2.
10 and what?
10 and 5.
10 and what?
2. 10 and 4.
10 and 4. Okay? Is 4 a prime number? Is 10 a prime number? No, it's not. Okay? So let's break 4 down. What are factors of 4?
2 and 2.
2 and 2. Okay? What are factors of 10?
2 and 5.
2 and 5. Okay? Is 2 a prime number?
Yes.
Is 5 a prime number?
Yes.
See how we have all prime numbers down at the bottom now? What we're going to do is we're going to bring this down and bring this one down again. Okay? Now we have all prime numbers down at the bottom. Now we're done. Okay? Now we're done. All we have to do now is take and put multiplication signs in between everyone. So 80 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Right? Okay. So, what's 2 times 2? Times 2. Times 2. Times 5. 80. Okay? Okay. Everybody do this one with me in your book. Number 5, 24. Okay, so 24. What are two factors of 24? Gavin.
12 and 2.
12 and 2. Okay, so 2, we have 12. Is 2 a prime number?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Is 12 a prime number?
No.
No, it is not. So we're leaving the 2 alone now because that's prime. We're going to focus on the 12. What are some factors of 12?
2 and 3.
What's 2 times 3?
6.
What multiplies together to equal 12? Two numbers that we multiply together equal 12.
3 and 4.
3 and 4, yes. 3 and 4, okay? Is 3 a prime number?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Leave that one alone. Is 4 a prime number?
No.
No, it is not. So we got to break this down. What are factors of 4, Landon?
2 and 2.
2 and 2. Is 2 a prime number?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Now we're going to bring this 3 down. We're going to bring this 2 down. We have all prime numbers. So this one is done. Okay, yes.
With the 12 can't you do 2 and 6?
Yes, you can do 2 and 6 as well. Okay? You could have done 12, breaks down 2 and 6, which breaks down into 2 and 3. Okay? Now, remember, we are not done with factoring until we have all prime numbers on the bottom. Okay? If it is an even number, it is not prime unless it's what number? 2. Okay? That means once I get to here, okay? 2 is a prime number. Once I get to here, if this number has a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, I'm not done yet. I cannot be done yet because that's an even number. That's not prime. All right? When we're doing prime factorization, every single one of these numbers in the bottom has got to be a prime number or you're not done with the problem yet. Do you guys understand that? All these numbers have to be what?
Prime.
Okay? If they're not prime, what do you need to do?
Do the stuff again.
What? Keep going until you get to prime numbers. Okay? So, this is called the factor tree, and we're doing this till we get to prime numbers. The other way to do prime factorization is division of primes. We talked about this one before. This one we used before. Okay? 68. This is basically reverse division. Okay? Or upside down division. What number goes into 68? 2. Okay? 68 divided by 2 is? 34. Okay? Is this a prime number? No. What number goes into it? 17. Okay. And then what else do we have? 17 divided by, or 34 divided by 17 equals? 2. Okay. So we get 2, 17, and 2. Once this bottom number, once this last number is a prime number, then you can be done. If this number is not a prime number, you are not done yet. And then once we're done, we list all of our prime numbers with the multiplication sign in between them, and we say equals our original number. All right? Get your whiteboards out. If you have whiteboards, otherwise use a piece of paper, or you can use the paper in your book. Okay? You guys are going to do these 8 problems, 5 through 12, 5 through 12. All right, you're going to work on 5 through 12 on page 326.
Do we have to put the whole equation, or can we just put the answer?
I want you to see all your work.
Okay.
Okay? I want you guys doing one problem at a time. Show me when you finish your first problem. Okay? I want you guys to show me you're doing one problem at a time. Come up and show me.
I need a marker. Sorry, Mr. There's some in that drawer. Can I please have a marker? What did you say what I was supposed to do?
5 through 12. Okay? 5 through 12. Yes, you're going to do